Good evening, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Manan. Sir, I'll keep it crisp, 7 minutes. I'll make sure it gets done. Thank you so much, Negi Saab, Das Saab. Wonderful, sir. I'll speak very similarly of what you have spoken about. And maybe I think a lot of solutions I'll give you right now that can be implemented in T4S. So I'll also be going through some of the case studies. At Ambetronics, we do gas detection, flame detection, and we are 100% made in India company, manufacturing in Mumbai. So started out in 1992, and everything that we do is in India. This is all where we are based geographically as of now. And we have all the service centers, and we can give after sales service and support. That is what I really want to add. Das Saab, after installation of specific leak detection I'm talking about, what people forget is how to calibrate it, test it, alarm set point, and to maintain it. Because during the time they put it, it's just the checklist. Gas leak detection hai, tick mark okay, gun, fire auditor pass kar dega. So exactly. So that is where I want to discuss two cases. This is my factory based in Mumbai. Everything that we do, we have a DSIR approved facilities. We have now 350 people. My company is divided into 5 parts: gas detection, flame detection, analyzer, IoT, and instrumentation system. So these are some recent incidents which I have pulled out last night. And I'll take 2 very small case studies. Nothing to do with the specific oil and gas industry, but gas leak detection system kitna important hai and how we can help to do it. So if you see, 30 plus major incidents are in all the sectors. 25 these are normal, and the highest state is Gujarat. 2 case studies I'll take. This case study is of 2 days back. If you know about Goa, the club Inferno, how 25 people just got like vanished away. They just died like that just because LPG leak. Ek jan ne switch giraya, 25 log, club khatam, sab khatam, everything's gone 2 days back. And one is a very reputed company, nitrogen leak. They didn't know about it, so many people dead. So the first thing is the plant called Medley Pharma in Tarapur, very near to my factory. I know them. The reactor was leaking, the nitrogen was leaking, people were working, no portable gas detection systems. I checked there personally, I went there personally. I asked them, you put a continuous monitoring analyzer that how much nitrogen you are purging inside your reactor? The answer was, sir, audit ka point nahi aaya hai, humne lagaya nahi hai. This is what happened. So, and this is all 3 months back. So, make sure that wherever you are working, confined space offices, you at least have an oxygen gas detector installed at a human height and calibrated. This is exactly what I told you about Goa, sir. No fire NOC, nothing was there, nothing was given. Gas detection, there was no connection for solenoid valve tripping. It just got off like that. So this is where you need gas detection system. It's not about Goa or nightclub, or it's not about CGD or non-CGD. It's just about you, myself, our families can be anywhere, and this is how gas leak detection system can like just break anything or everything. And this is a sad part for India because there are 3 international tourists which we as a country cannot name it just because gas leak detection system was not there, and the gas leak detection system merely cost 50,000 rupees, nothing more than that. So the 5 things, sir, I have highlighted of why this leak happens eventually, all the leaks. One is engineering, compliance, operation, facility, and the people, which includes everything. So the first is when we design, we don't know where to place the gas detector. गैस डिटेक्टर का हमने ऑर्डर दे दिया, ईपीसी को दे दिया या हमको कंप्लायंस में बोला है लगा दिया, बट कहाँ इंस्टॉल करना है वी डोंट नो. सेकंड, वी डोंट नो वेयर आर द ब्लाइंड स्पॉट्स. वी फील दैट द आई विल गिव यू वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग स्टैंडिंग हियर. वी फील दैट गैस डिटेक्शन सिस्टम हैज अ रेंज. लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज दे कम टू मी, दिस कि गैस डिटेक्शन कितना रेंज कवर करता है. टेक्निकली देयर कैन बी नो गैस डिटेक्शन इन द वर्ल्ड दैट कैन कवर अ रेंज बिकॉज दिस इज अ सेंसर. दिस इज लाइक योर नोज, नाक के जैसा. Unless and until the gas will touch, this will not sense. So technically there is no range. सेंसर मिसमैच, वी डोंट नो हम कौन सा सेंसर खरीद रहे हैं, जो बाय कर रहे हैं उसको लिख के दिया है वो हम कर रहे हैं. देयर इज नो रिडंडेंसी. इफ द गैस डिटेक्शन फेल्स, व्हाट इज द सेकंड ऑप्शन? ऑपरेशंस. जैसे सर ने बताया कि सेफ्टी इज नॉट फ्रॉम द कैबिन, सेफ्टी इज टू द प्लम्बर. अलार्म मैनेजमेंट, हमने कितने परसेंट LEL पे हमारा फर्स्ट अलार्म सेकंड अलार्म सेट किया है? वाई वी डू इट, वी डोंट नो. Are there any calibration gaps? Some people ask me, why are you doing calibration every 12 months? No answer. Same company, another petrochemical plant, another location will do it for 3 months. आप 3 महीने में क्यों करा रहे हैं? सर पता नहीं हमको. It's just what we are following. So these are some gaps. Facilities. We don't have ventilation. One of the biggest issue with the Goa case was there was entry and exit was only one. They did not have another entry, another exit, so that people can exit and at least leave. At least, worst case I'm talking, which is वो नहीं था. There was a blocked entry and confined space. The last point is compliance, because all what we do is we just check the PESO certificate. PESO certificate में सब लिखा है बस. We don't read a PESO certificate. Just try to read a PESO certificate. What it is written, it is very detailed and very nice. Try to read it. And training gaps. I myself am not talking about any gas detection system of the world. I'm just trying to make sure that how we can make India safe. And last thing, people training. So these are some gas detections that we have done, implemented. This is a methyl mercaptan specific gas detector for dosing. How much do you dose in natural gas? You don't know. So exact concentration you can come to know, and this is very, very specific. This is hydrogen thing that we have done in our factory, hydrogen based flame detector. This is a video, you can play it. Yeah. So this is the hydrogen flame, that's our flame detector. So this is what all we have done. This is Department of Defense. Ma'am, can you play it? This is RDX, that's the world's fastest flame detector. That is what we can do it for you. Gas detector for houses. Many CGDs, many plumbers for houses. App. These are certain devices that we have. Biogas analyzers. This is the first India's gas detector sensor that we have designed. So we can be of any help. This is, ma'am, can you play this? This is where my factory is. If you see, this is a broad daylight. That's a lighter. So this amount of safety we designed, developed in India, in Mumbai. This is a battery powered wireless gas detector. Sir, I'm trying to cut short. So these are some awards, customers that we have, some certifications. My contribution to the industry, to all the gentlemen, to all the stalwarts of the industry, I have made a YouTube channel. This is nothing to do with my products, nothing to do with getting more business, increasing the turnover of my company. This is pure knowledge, where anybody, your child, your wives, your sisters, brothers can go to this channel and learn that why gas leak detection is important in Hindi, Desi, simple bhasha. It's all 1-minute videos. So that is my contribution. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for your patience hearing. Sir, I'm sorry I'm 1 minute above.
Absolutely fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.